Hello there. So happy Halloween, and today we have a Yamaha AS-1100 integrated amplifier. We're gonna unbox it. And oops. Okay. Let's Now let's unbox it. I wanted to see first the remote control. It's beautiful. The cable we got, always Panasonic batteries. Okay, put this on the side. Come here. And this is the manual. I love this word. I love it. Yamaha. Now I need your assistant, please. I want you to give me a hand, okay, to unbox it.
Let's do that.
All right, buddy, give me a hand. Count to three. 3, 2, 1. Up. Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay, lift it up. Okay. Put it here. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna use my fingers, okay? So I want you to come closer, okay? I want you to see. It's beautiful. Yamaha AS-1100 or Yamaha 1100. This is almost one of the top range in Yamaha integrated amplifier. There is 2100, there is AS-3000, there is the latest one, AS-3200. This integrated amplifier, it has a classic look. You can see the meters, and the knobs are metal. There's no plastic in here. It has very beautiful finish, and on the side it's like a piano, a classic look, piano black. There is in silver color too as well. I'm gonna show you from the back. I can say it's a gold plated. So beautiful. Come closer, Mr. Cameraman. It has no DAC. Everything is analog. It has a grand phono, 4-terminal speaker. Let's keep rolling. Let's unhook it. Let's see what's inside. Let's unhook it. I can't wait to see what's inside. Look at this. It's a piece of wood. Wow. Okay, lift it up. We got still more screws. Are you ready? Let's see what's inside. Oh my God, son of a gun. This is one channel, this is one channel, this is the capacitors, and this is the transformer with the beautiful Yamaha logo. Look at these things. This is the heat sink, and this is the capacity. How big is it? Oh my God. Look at my finger, how big is it? So you've seen what's inside this Yamaha integrated amplifier. 2 channels. It has 90 watts into 8 ohms. Beautiful lock. It's very heavy, quite heavy, 23 kg. This amplifier is a beast. Let's test it. So let's put this thing back on. So we got it. Yep. So let's connect the amp to the speaker. Okay. So I'm going to connect my phone through the DAC to the amp.
Time goes by so slowly. Time goes by so slowly. Time goes by
It's 9 o'clock.
so slowly. Time goes by so slowly. Time goes by so slowly. Time goes by so slowly.
Let's turn it up a little bit.
When it's love you give, I'll be a man of good faith. Hello, is there anybody in there? Just nod if you can hear me. Is there anyone home? Come on now. I hear you feeling down. Well, I can ease your pain, get you on your feet again. Relax. I need some information first. Just the basic facts. Can you show me where it hurts? There is no pain you are receiving. A distant ship smoke on the horizon. You are all coming through in waves. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say. When I was a child, I had a fever. My hands felt just like two balloons.
Let's check another track.
I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy